and today I'm going to be unboxing the December 2019 Mixed Media Inspired Kit from our journal Junction. So the first thing you're going to see when you open your subscription box is the order insert. That goes over what's inside the box, the name of the product, some details about each item, and also an exclusive discount code to the store. So the first product we're looking at here is Dilution's Mixed Media Cardstock. It really works well with mixed media, and it's cut in an A4 size, so you can make a card or cut it up, do whatever. Next is the Finnabar Cling Mount Stamp Set, and there are 16 stamps in this set in a bunch of different sizes. Some words, imagery, focal points, lots of good stuff. Then there's a package of cheesecloth, and this is a really cool item to cut up, tear up, layer. It adds a nice texture. And the exclusive collector's pin for this month features a horse, as you can see. Next in the box is 3 colors of Dilution's ink spray in the newest 3 colors released: Blue Lagoon, Balmy Night, and Island Parrot. Next is a package of canvas tags. Now these canvas tags are lined in the back with white cardstock, so they'll hold up to a lot of different mixed media techniques, and they won't crumple or fray. And the last product is a package of Ranger adhesive strips. Now these are double-sided strips that you can easily tear, and they'll hold all kinds of materials, papers, fabrics, etc. I can't wait to see what you create with the December 2019 kit. If you want to learn more about the subscription, please check out the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos.